You are watching Kiddos World TV.
Hi kids, welcome to the farm! Today we're going to learn how to count from 1 to 10 with our animal friends. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start! 1. Cow. Cow says moo moo. 2. Sheep. Sheep say ba, ba. 3. Pigs. Pigs say oink, oink. 4. Horses. Horses say neigh, neigh. 5. Chickens. Chickens say cluck, cluck. 6. Duck. Ducks say quack, quack. 7. Goats. Goats say ma, ma. 8. Turkeys. Turkeys say gobble, gobble. 9. Donkeys. Donkeys say hee haw, hee haw. 10. Roosters. Roosters say cock-a-doodle-doo.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kiddos World TV. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.